Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today viewers, we are going to discuss another type of essay which is called advantage and disadvantage essay. In this pattern which I have used is only to explain you how smartly these strategies can be applied. So let's start our essay with this statement. Some people think that international students exchange would be beneficial for all teenage school students. Do you think its advantage outweigh the disadvantage? Now the answer is, I start my essay with, some would argue that going on an exchange program has benefits for all students. This essay will argue that despite there being some dangers of spoilage of these teenagers as well as higher amount of study expenditure, I believe the advantages or the benefit of cultural mix and development of decision making skill eclipse any disadvantage. It means that at the end of the first paragraph I believe it means that I am stating my own opinion over here with the help of that what I am going to discuss in the essay. Now let's start with the first main body, paragraph number 1. Let me show you. Here I starting my main body, paragraph number 1. With the word to commence with. It means that to start with or firstly. Okay. The one demerit means drawback. When young people are away from their home, they are more likely to be spoiled. Okay. After the thesis statement, I am going to explain with the word. You see what type of strategies we are using over here. First statement, then explain, and then its example. To explain, this is because they are not under the supervision of their parents, and this new found freedom often lead to the diligence. For instance, a recent report conducted by Cambridge disciplinary body states that many young ones being away from their families take opportunity to get drunk as well as bunk from the classes. With the word beside this, I am stating here another point of view, and it means that I am going to discuss another drawback of the statement or the notion. Beside this is an international student exchange program is a higher cost, since foreign students often have to live in hostels and pay for the food and transportation by themselves along with a higher international fee. This increases the cost of education. Thus, compared to their home country, the cons of education mount manifold. Therefore, these disadvantages seem significant if the pros are considered. Now, with the help of the nonetheless, I am going to show here the flip side of the coin. In the first paragraph, I was declared all the demerits, and now it's time to discuss the benefit of the exchange program. And we start from here. Nonetheless, attending a school in a new country allows students to experience a new country and allows students to experience a new culture and learn from the people they are living with. This opens their eyes to new attitudes about life, enables them to think critically about their own culture, and expands their horizons. Further, These students tend to build another benefit. Furthermore, when these students tend to build their decision making ability. And here, to explain, instead of using to explain, I am using to explicate. Being remote from their families, such students need to take all small or big decisions independently. This exercise makes them more decisive regarding all situations. For example, the survey conducted by the Students' Educational Committee confirms that students in exchange programs are 30% more able in their decision power. So, in overall, keeping in view the potential merit of exchange programs, I believe here I am going to discuss my own point of view, or I am putting here my own point of view, what I'm thinking about the exchange program. I believe students must opt for them. If you can make it happen, you should. It means that, see, this is the simple and very easy type of essay. You see how I use that kind of strategies that you can easily use in your daily writing. You have to just think according to the statement and according to the topic first, and write the mistake-free text. Hope you will like this video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.